tebre nwanne ka ahụ kesu kpọrọ ya kesu kpọrọ tata kụrụ ịlụrụ ipikiri one night stand zusuru kpọrọ ya biamaga ya be ka deko statement ka ema na-ele ya chinekwa nganda apari abụọ lukoburu onwe nwo leso ngebu na egwu na abụọ ke na apụ entia uti na akụ apara nwanne ya na akụ apara at the same time data susunu ha ba egbu todogwu. I shouldn't have gotten you involved because you know statements are about me. You useless achafro. Ubu amama ba she mepere gi shop. Anam ni na-erete di ihe o eji kwadoro gi shop. How can you rete di shop again man? You enwere ke.
Bana Ndigbo ekenekwa mu ni bondo manje mono. Ehe, asina nwunye Jpac so we da akwụkwọ na aka jedo Ogechi akwụkwọ. Utapapa bianso ka ntakwelu unu. Asina mgba ha akpọrọ Ogechi na-ekwu ya o because unu ka enene the full video. Asina mgba ha akpọrọ Ogechi na nwunye Jpac dele statement. Kita ha na Ogechi ha pụtago wee sokwa nwunye Jpac ọzọ. A na-enwe dị ka mmadụ heriti okwu na maro. As a wise person, enwere ihe abịa na digi na mmadụ na-agbawo. Kekwanti Ogechi never picked anything against that woman at first. Until she made that video me siwa na ina-asa ndị mmadụ ike n'obodo oyibo na nwunye odogwu bụ ka ọ nọrọ na-eri nne sọsọ. And that was when Ogechi picked her in the fight. As nwaanyị anọta digi enwego inherited ogu already to pay bata. What are you supposed to do? Stay away from it. If possible, pụọ na social media dọsapụ ha ka ha na-eme ha na-eme. A na-ekwugodo okwu esi na ọ gbasara gị. Nyatago. Ma mgbe a na-ekwu na adịghị ijikwa wee hapụ ndị ọzọ wee nụba gị, count yourself lucky because Bible say that many daughters have done well. Echeta m mgbe mme video because mbụ m onye na-agụ na I made a video mgbe nsị sirapụ kene gị aka. Sirapụ gị aka. I made that video sese onye ọbụla na-agba gị wụọ na Jpac mecha hapụ ndị ọzọ n'ụba gị nwoke na-akpọrọ gị jee Egypt jeje mee gị engage de wa n'ọma na onye ole enyi nwaanyị here all those time of thing. Yes, ọ bụ na o mere eme otu osu unu mama mgbe unu jiri ebido matago. Mana all you should know is that na this thing eme gị awụ na-eme gị all you are supposed to do is imechi ọnụ gị because na onye fully well na abata ebe ọgụ dị before ịbụ nwaanyị ịgba nkịtị. Akpọrọ gị bịa mgbe emere Ogechi arrest jide statement na akwụkwọ. Jide statement na akwụkwọ na nkịta na nkịta ifugo onye nwa na-achọ a na-asị na ya nọrụ December ya na anachi ya takodo obodo oyibo since mgbe mme video soon you push that I don't want to say some things. You know Ogechi anago since July jechi anachi atakwa azụ ụzọ sikwa America sikwa osi Nigeria nata America sikwa America natakwa obodo oyibo sikwa di ya nachi atakwa ọzọ again. What else do you people want to know that na noga ga ebe ọ na-aga? So all those things AJ threatening at that time, she have seen it all. And I'm happy she's the one telling her story. I told you people that I will keep you guys updated because now Ogechi Njaka to tell her story by herself. And I want to give you people example because somebody that's let me tell you people something. Nelson Mandela traveled the whole world telling about his story because he was the victim. He was the one that went there. So he traveled all around the world telling out his story. Before you could tell Nelson Mandela to shut up, the question should be for you to ask, who else has that kind of story to tell? So before you now ask Ogechi to shut up, who else will pass through what she has passed through? Who else can pass through it? Against all odds. Against all odds, she came out. So allow her to tell her story by herself. Because the question you should be asking yourself, are you there? Will you tell Ogechi her story more than her? Your job is to imagine igente, watch here, and believe the ones you want to believe. Man, for you to go and inherit something you do not know, the Bible says even when a fool is quiet, he is regarded wise. So watch this video. Kunonozia, kado hote no Saga. ndokwan
Kali. Biana newi, bianema, bia etigi. As an errand boy, you waiting of fish, and when I'm responsible, and the guys who worry the bre one and who gets warrior. That is an order that Coneloro, a pick one night stand. Zusu, warrior, Biamagaya, deco statement, take a money there. She ne quan ganda, paria, poor, look over the window. Let's all get one na book and cannot wear end here. Udina kuapa, one yana kuapa at the same time. Did not tell Susunu have able to do. I shouldn't have gotten you involved because you wrote statements about me. You useless achafro. Ubu amama bashe me peregi shop. Anam nene rete di he ogechi okeke shop. How can you rete di shop again man? You emureke. You idiots! I put him in a one night stand. I guess I had the different men. I was going to jam with them. Kebere, they statement issue. If they put on a statement because they did not tell me what is in that statement, you will come on. Anybody that say you're not Saga, I should not call you. No, you wrote statement on my head. You came with your don't low with your blum with your passport. Don't like it. Iri me amam te poma nagi kegi wiri imam wamu. Te kwa ni me spam. To useless idiot a pakaren. You can write, but to autoboleno nani homa with jaho to la way spam. Obola. Ibra that day statement in Elishim. Sharini mere. Chineka one na bwoko. Gana sweat. Everywhere nebe ogri. Anambra. Every imagining that these two people and one nigga by email. Imagining that she about without opening pussy and damu. Without opening up and damu. Yana shiba. Imagining that woman people only came a palm when they came a people. Or when they came a part to that. Nobody don't come close. Everywhere. First guy. Police, we are running. Also. I thought it's just a Saga talk. I was thinking, I never knew that two persons in the room are the same time at 10 pence. I'm not over 2 accord. I was thinking it's just a normal Saga talk. I'm actually the reality, same thing. My police are working me. One of my good friends, but always money. A very good brother, just that he was carried away by little here when he shinoed. But I still respect him because he's a nice guy. Ugo. Everybody that could have. But one of my sisters too, Princess, she came to resolve that matter that day, you know. Princess and I, she mentioned Princess, I forget. Come on and that guy. They are all nice people. They came, but he came be too much. All of them were good people. I can't dispute that. They did their best. Just that him and he no nipe. I go get you share them mama. It should be shimore. Come on, be shimore, share mama. You show who police mbari. You say me champarima their AIG. Parima their IG. Me post on Facebook. I'm nanda corporate like any. This woman anyway power. I come back to 20 December 2nd. Because that day they made call. And when who the call no? And when see and when who the this year bashing and I got Jpac. Why are you na station chana? Man the meru na balama po. They know where I did. After the can't be jere mo major last year. No my private pass. Beti huminga. And I should see idiot to be na money taman Canada. Oh man, the more you look, the less you see. Because I can't keep they are minor rats. And when you buy a meho, buy private by me more. A me call my larry him like no, you can't carry Ogechi off. You can't carry Ogechi off. Oh, because I am the police. Emma is she that location move for the share mumma. Oh, no lawfulness. That one I'm in the police and I carry our courts. Oh, you went parallel. Kaji shock and Haga Banyere movie. Ima Beja Banyere Mazin and the Kalana. When Nigerian police Banyere movie, Isha Juogoi. Those are the only people I have cases. They even called me, let's settle this thing. Man, they put on a phone. Now put on a phone, settle what on you can know. But I let her apologize. But I'm behind him and Apollo cut. He was already at the police. Okay, have you seen check? Okay, don't worry, I'm gonna check. That is why they were not able to do anything. And I fake because that's it. No, nothing. Equano. Let me share Jama Abuja. Hotel 9,000. Sorry, hotel 7,000 naira in Abuja. Imagine how bad it is. Oh, him mother ball actually. On the very true or Kalesia de come. Hotel 9,000. Don't worry, my Saga, I never tell those videos. Man, I prove Luna now here. No level, see. No level, classless. Now I'm gonna tell you.
Oh, since the matter video.
Now I'm gonna tell you. Level less. The one I'm wearing. Okay, you have court case with the Nigerian government. You have court case with the Nigerian police. They are true. Because that's why they became angry. And I said, I'm sorry. When the system is not the way it works here. On the problem with who don't you? You want to go? But they might pull on a cut. Nobody tell me, nobody not threaten you. Stand your ground. Pieces anybody where you want pieces. Nobody, no level. Now me, I show you. Then the 2026 to Facebook what days we can follow my page, criminal justice and TikTok. We will go viral. Chuma no shouldn't look at them again on there with it. As she edgy only she's of her opo. Oh, I got you and you want me to come. I can't come. I can't come. Look for me. If you can capture me, capture me. Many people will try balaga. You can't pay me. Lie. Ngam mega again. Pay within daddy who wage. Pay within that pasta. Come within there, she, come within down, he pen one and then at the Anandano Hati. Am I mad? It's crayfish. It's crayfish, baby. 2026. My African market is coming. I need the freedom to fight. I got my promoter. I got my digga lawyer. I got my address business. I got everywhere. Oh, be she like it. America. America. Now you're no longer American citizen. No, Zoom. Okay. I thought you was showing passport. Now American. You American citizen. One nap. Can somebody laugh? Let's continue to finish this so to meaning. Let's listen.
A wait, the innocent boy came because of he had Ogechi video.
Did I hear that you said that Akwa is an innocent boy? Can somebody tag Governor Soludo here? Did I hear that you said that Akwa is an innocent boy? Oh, you might charge this Akwa is facing. You don't know the investigation of Akwa. Well, you can open your mouth because I'm on Nanga, but I'm Patagum. Oh, no, I'm Gabon, Barakala. So I will reciprocate. Did I hear that you called Akwa an innocent boy? Did you know that this idiot I collect about spam nime for ya? Imano that's in a petition here. Imano or Akwa no say I'm come put petition. Akwa somebody a boy. I saw okay, don't somebody should not remove that thing or say so. Remove that thing, man, okay, when a mad. ka ha sola azu respect onwe o ma na ihe ka nte ga bekute ya but here at about jigodi na apa sha jigodi na apa eno chebe asu mu oke jenyu machi ya shi mmiri amu ị ga nga ha hụ ka ya mma jigodi ni ashi ni mere oti petition Chineke akpọ ya ọkụ jigodi ni ani ni na bia hu bia nyo otu la ya mma no Nigeria Chineke akpọ ya ọkụ yeah series of court case nini me so the series give me so the series of court case TikTok double tap share double tap share double tap share yeah TikTok is good going double tap share double tap drop your double tap share TikTok my people yes we gonna go agbara na ejim 2026 and let us abia unu ga aru mama umu anyi na di jara onwe mu anwu shani di akoma and express I know na social media I get broadcast ya nobody they are all levelers ndare chicken no play for no too come on nigga potential get no play for no too and they say that packet will come so cannot play first note like I see him I can she may play first note my joke man no mengen no me himere am I there? Am I the one there? All the videos to give me, we're gonna replay them 2026 to conjure even head people. Who the fuck will tell me that I'm not on the program? Somebody will not comment on my platform. Who the fuck are you? You think you can capture me and shut me up at the same time? Because I should piece it in no go job. Because I should piece it in no go job. You want it? One needs anything about such a cancel it, give it stupid. Okay, Suprino, he have a war without end. I should look at them. I caught to make them. Every day. Why is somebody commenting? Let me see that back. Tap. Share on TikTok. Tap. Who said I will not go to Nigeria again? I've been in Nigeria 3 good times. I will go and come out. So you're not gonna know I'm there. Put any guy bang. Puta. Nah, gonna mean job. Nah, puta. You don't go no chicken. Should I get one no come? I just came back. Dara, because I didn't know when free. I was gachana. Yo, I know nobody can know. Because I gave you guys when they take it. I fashion. Yeah, what can I thank God for saying that I go to spiritual arm. More things will unveil as time progress. Nobody go rest. Dala, you came to molest me. Usubunu. Unachikoto emu. What did I give to the moon? Let me block him down. I come down. I see. Come on, fuck off here. Gift to no gift to no. Thank you for the gift. Gift to no. Eba ko get broko. Na gift to no. I can job nteri ha but e ko hia. Awanye shi. Awanye shi. Oware bore. Awanye shi ore bore. Awanye shi afọ peruzo. Awanye shi otula na aso mama gelegele. Awanye shi mu akishire mana mandara. Awanye shi ware bore. Ndara. Come and control social media. Mo ke na America in freedom. Imagine that America so call TikTok. Oh, you don't know that all Trump now won't handle TikTok. We have bought everything. everything. If you can shut the Nigeria up, you can't shut us. Freedom of speech. Come and judge me under my judiciary system. Dala. Your skin is giving me joy. Yes, my dear. Everywhere is some. Iki yarigara yara. Everywhere. Upon 102, come 2026. Come on, go to talk till December 2nd. Everything must be open. Come and hold me. Get them. And a berishia wa. And a berish, but a one is shako shako. And a berishia. Nonsense. Share, double tap and share. Join my TikTok. Connect my TikTok. Ndo to move button TikTok. Actually, squad to TikTok. In the Facebook, piano TikTok is 400 and something now. TikTok is 411. And I call it. I can teacher blue. I can teacher my black and my blue. I can teach every. We are not respected for any kind. You don't give a fuck. If you don't want peace, you get it. I was even in Nigeria now, Saga. Saga the police is so open that I'm Makana Saga. The police are there Mwanya. Nobody sent the manera. They did their underground because I was trying their patience. Nobody sent them. Oyane put the block. Now I go tell you what I saw. Nobody will tell me those things. And I call you. Come man barankat. Don't know one shot. I put them shit. I told my home in Sobu. Let me go and rest. My business. Now forget that I am a food vendor. I made food items. I want them crayfish. 2024 baby. 2025 baby. 2026 baby. 2027 baby. Market akamo akara. Nkobi ishiawu. Beke amere amaka. Amagbo. About 2028 baby. About 2024 baby. Amagbo. Akane me bendi. Ma potashi. I want to be of my own. I don't want problem. Okay, don't put him na Nigeria. He got like him. I said I want to be left alone. Allow the sleeping dog lie. I am a wounded lion. I'm a painful wounded lion. Do not start. I want peace. You gave me in tax. I completed my own tax and you want to play with me. You want to play with my mama and me. After completing my own tax, you want to be a thorn on my skin. Keep that behind the Facebook. Join them on TikTok. I'm here with them. TikTok is almost 431. Join them on TikTok. Thank you for the gift tax. Nigeria. If you don't have any money, no connection, do not even get out to Israel. Even get out to Israel. That is not justice whatsoever. Number again. If you know Japan to go so balan to get Makechi and number 2. I just want to. I'm an MJ go home after December 2nd. Follow me this. Pull it up. How game media? Friend Bajin here. Friend Bajin.
Also, why okay to
Cheren, Can I play the this Amusu is talking?
My own petition be here prison.
Okay.
My justice is not no or this interested. Also, why Ogechi Okeke Njaka on abuse? I am rich up to my petition you budget prison.
Okay.
That's right. Why today these people have deceived you, bring you back to Nigeria. Mama gata ya mezugo ma kenu kara de no hanile rabata Nigeria. Now who will be able to come to Abuja and sign for your shorty? No, nobody. They cannot come to Abuja. They cannot near that place. Ma Kusayono mezugo ma.
If all these people don't mention, none of them left me. All these people don't mention they were there morning, afternoon, night, even every night they were there checking up on me. All these people now don't mention. And when as you go, we're a man of integrity. As you go, the only name we brought them wearing that I will still maintain. Ezugo stood firm. Ezugo, am I gonna talk? I can one name. All of them. And when Monday gonna supply go for support. One go never run, that they never run. One go never run. And when any of them left me behind, no one of them. All of them were there. You know this false information go Bijina alone. These people know how to manipulate some gullible. Anyway, I don't blame all of you because you guys are not getting information. Because at a point, a easier information, nobody again we are able to release them because any of these people don't mention on a slight back. No. All this is so go preeminence. Nothing. This fake bastard, nothing. Every woman, even no man they who they expect, they came through for me. Even at a point I they debate them Agamano na nka. I saw me mention Agamano neba. They were dragging to protect me. None gave up on me. None. This is how manipulative this lying bitch can be. This person is a liar. He can lie. He can lie. He's not steady. Little light. Yeah, maybe. Little light. Yes, switch here. The very dark man has. You can't even move that more. You can't even move the guy. Great dark man. Now I realize in any way. You was targeting very dark man on a prize. It has nothing to do with him about farmers and the canoe. So I don't know why you are faking this. You're faking crocodile tears. I'm actually this virgin in a papa. That's the first time when that's your organ want to penetrate. That was the cry you was crying yesterday. Fake crocodile tears. Oh, don't forget. You was crying that oh that's small, oh that's small. Manikashi. Madam again you must shishirike. Oh Jafu. In you must shishirike. On a fanga with a lamb. How would that quote yesterday? What have everyone got to do with what happened to my what the irony of rubbish? And people were buying it. People were even buying rubbish. I was looking at this book. And the Ndigbo says, are you okay? Why are you crying? Is your guy putting amu? Is your guy putting amu? Is it amu crying? Why crying? Go back, man. You are projecting crying Wookie Begapa. Who the fuck is fooling who? Why are we too stupid to be easily to be deceived? In the twinkle of an eye. Oh, crop your part. begin waki. Nibega na newi. Maybe not me. What can I walk there? I can walk there. You was not crying. You was not crying. Yawu. In what sense? You can address a very dark man. Sorry, I misunderstood you. Sorry. Hey, baby. Who the fuck is fooling who? Who the heck is fooling who? Nde blew up, ana homa banyu be man na TikTok. Nde blew up, ana homa banyu be man na TikTok. Akwana ma gbalu nu na no na TikTok. Amami hunu na TikTok ka eme. Amami hunu na sorry, amami hunu na blew up eme. Be one na TikTok. Inwa TikTok account to create TikTok account to 2026 is gonna go down. I'm not getting younger. Are you getting younger? As far as I'm we are all aging. So whether you come with them getting younger, it's not. Are you getting younger? None of us is getting younger. We are all aging in our own way. We are all aging, and when we are not younger anymore, we are aging gradually. I am all getting old, including you, including your mom, your papa, even the man that call him is getting old because 1 month, 2 months, 3 months older now there. So this thing is talking rubbish. What is your TikTok name? Opinion down, Queen the line, opinion down. So you are here. In my TikTok account to 2026, go and create one. Anya nwa ko hozo o wane anya agbali nka ma erera ahịam onye oli ga-edi ga na Chicago di ga enwe m mkpakụ who go get the mind to come and challenge onye wo onye ahụ chi apụta na this Chicago ko na mo ko shi onye ahụ pụta na m shi diga the person. Oh, I don't get paid. Nobody. Try it, she. Tigoni won't able to make it confront me. Come we're a movie. Onepano. Only go do who go. That person come. My joy on my crook, on my bibliocara. Okay, how I was on Facebook.
Oh, what are you going to Interpol office?
Okay.
Nobody. Even as I speak to you, our dad Bukobi cannot come because no matter go and get a zoku. I go get onya boy gazetted criminal. Yeah.
Okay. And my daddy cannot near me. Now Facebook cannot near you because I go man shini kairigi. Assistance man. Muana bani board yam tawin. Or yang more kwala. I am not one. Ne wuni ke nyake. That in my secret, it was shini or shini kana ma papa. Yes. Why he won on my home pong? Bound with my daddy bottom. My daddy bottom was a gidegi. Hey, Obaramosa. Let's take it. Obaramosa. My daddy Baramosa. But at least Yabaramosa, we can be close to you. At least that's in Baramosa. But they are close to you. Give me share, mega video. Because we know you are not a steady man. Even we are benefits, inconsistent follow. Ahoramu jahotula. Ahoramu tigamu. And when he be so, that is your lifestyle. You can never change it. That is why when you are not a steady being. In a kwezi ugo. When come she punye na ogo. When come she money na machis. I'm just shigi. Governor Onyo she cannot put only came mere go commercial anymore. Lie. As far as Ogechi's back. Contract I got Kabuya. Go and mark it somewhere. Man of God. That contract on your mom no nanga. All that Kabuya by fire by force. It can never hold. It can never hold. Go and write it to the Nampu. Because you guys are not meant to be trusted. You guys, when you trust room, it's not gonna work. Unless that contract will be terminated as soon as possible. And I'm an immigrant for free. You cannot commercial for free, but not for money, not for anything attached, not any longer. All the same man he did not respect. Memorial service, and at least when they go to that little respect. Una bia, kena Jpac, and don't be to again. It's not gonna work. Come on, I'm going problem. You can never be a party to that his success anymore. You could have you and this your idiot affection. It's not gonna work. It will never work. Go and tell those on who use myself somewhere. It's not gonna work. As far as I say, onye muna get you problem is soro Jpac. Etiga goji keep ya kuoma kangam a pointer like na almost show my home. One ya no have comfortable song. Una oya. Ashinga German you know 10,000 because all broke. So but they were how na deceive no. No church will help pastor. Etiga goji. You ring am over. Aba onye chuganta. Aba onye chugei. Nuna ba tiki. Anya hona yo. Madam kezi choka imena. Kezi choka imena. Eja hidirani. Ani josoro biaru. Ani nda vigilante. Ani na hano here. Urule kezi choka imena. He can't. Job is over. Okay. See, I don't need any contracts. I don't need any out. I don't need anybody to give me any contracts. But when I go to Indian team, go remove me. I'm not interested. Don't put me into your ambassador. I don't do ambassador because I will break the laws. I when I get money about business in the war, but I have a war. Because I told me when I get manage business again, but I'm not fucking interested. Where else you go? He's the man of the choice. Where am I also go with nice man? One the number. He's a good guy. Eternity. It's a good man. It's no money. I want you need drug owners in the game ambassador. I try in the game ambassador. They become very other man. I'm a boss. What a caremount. One forgot the other put the good tree. Both me proud of one capacity. One am I home. I just mention anyhow. And I back at what they say. Man, I don't know, but I should that. More product, more any name game is a come on. Let me go commercial myself. Let me go put my products. Now you go even come, I go give you, say make you do. I can remember that girl and patronize this. Let's match on me get for free like that lady in Mushi. I did it for free for her. This is the kind of what I do it for free. I won't know. I may go on. Woman, I'm your man. I will kiss and tell. Kiss and tell. I don't do shit like that. Jpac, you a betrayer. You a snitch. Anybody trusting you is trusting his own death. I will keep reminding everything you told me about Ndogaga again. I only had the Ogechi, I will let go. Lie. We had the Kaya. Ega, again. You are Bezela, you only could now mark and right. You only could now mark for your counter. That's Yaki, because I am saying 1 year Lagan. Soon, Ogechi is still alive. I know the first day you guys, I know that governor knew she, that criminal, that bandit, that's it your time, can you get that escort and everybody gang for 3 years. That's it your time to know my car machine. It's a time that one day you posted. Ogechi has traveled. When I buy my I got bomb on that story. I got bomb on that information. You go tell me. As time progress, that is Sagigi Ponye Waragiami. You go talk him. You go talk him. Why could they listen to Igbo?
Only because he cannot, as a man of God, he cannot put his hand.
Okay.
Because who can believe that they go be a
now let me tell you. Whether may believe room, nobody disappointed me. Everyone came through for me. You're manipulating shit. Nobody is even listening to you. Everything they were telling me in the prison. I was getting all the information. I said, make them keep saving the video for me inside they come. Because I know a day like this will come. All this your manipulating words and all that. Because they know you a bitch. It would just say common that is what you are. All of people told them that I'm not coming this year, next year, 2 years, 5 years, 10 years. Until America. I want you guys to tell them, why did you guys give them such assurance? And now you're not able to defend the audacity. Okay, this by Oya Paul, what to Google with your fake account? Oya, Otilo, back and dog, Oya Nenyuno Sobu, or him Jack Babunu, Unana Barre, then I try you. Nah, Munawa, can I tune? See not the back and Natuno. I will continue to back. Hey, what to go? I will continue to. Everybody beside him. Anytime anybody beside him. Yes, I'll continue to back. You can smell my food. Now, all this your manipulative video, I was hearing it. Even you're talking about Akazai coming to Interpol. Who was at the Interpol? Who always come and go? And when I came, but him all Jaho to la mame gamu. It is the channel from Angame Kagamu, Manama Kemegane. Nobody, how can they know? How will you know? When the movement was on the ground, how would you know? Igbo hechano tulame chagamu. Ijama akemegane. Ikarerushi kulu town. Leave Amwaka. Happy mo tulagiyana wom. In an ematala when Ogechi went to the passport, yeah. Ikarematala when the police is Ogechi. You insulted me, but I have forgiven you. Ikarematala the police. Our anger was that Pararan case here is nothing. Just because we want to teach you a lesson. Ikarematala that say, Onya dila noji as an errand boy you Ikarematala. Now, police that you don't have case of this, you just that she was stubborn and you want to prove lesson to her. Ikarematala. That Onya dila noji will left like you Ikarematala. Just that they are just the thing now when you go, believe on oh, go get check me go. Go get check me go. Go to la shishri. If I get a brain aga, Gawa one million women go to last shineri sini as a million chineke orokon. Who deleted the post? Which post? Yeah, he deleted the post as well. I'm a money, but I will confront the person. And then I shall warn you, come on here, bitono. Because anything in my family has nothing to do with idiots. Okay.
She would dance your image.
Okay. Okay.
Because of what I like, you were because of Ofumronya, you were lose what the thousands of souls turning into her Christ. You were because of Ogechi, you were lose what thousands of souls turning into her Christ. You better leave that person, let the person go.
Okay.
All the people Ogechi trust today, are going to happen because when they knew her lifestyle, okay. Everybody is senior Kwenu. Everybody senior Kwenu. So we better say I am a woman. Yes, I am a woman. Yes, Kai woman. I say one day we're able to do one day in Zimbabwe. Nigeria.
When you say I'm going to call you Buza, but I come. I have the pen. The pen. The pen. The pen has to be molested. This is all they wanted to do to shame Ogechi. This is all they want to do to shame me. Look at them. Look how many men. Look what they're walking there. Look also. Look at them. See them. You know how many men did I bet you take or call it so? Can somebody give gift to us, sir? Can somebody bring him gift to us, sir? Phone your remote, in the bro. When the young gift us said this over me, I'll say so. One woman, Kaum walking in a mummy or uncircumcised Mukam Ndigbo. Look at them. A phone you. You get a guy, oh, you're going. And I take a chicken that day, they take a Jesus. What's up? Yaka all this thank you a glass of it in jaw. When the piano gave to before I continue. Papa Maya. Ehurunga, one of the Umwakam, she woman to my happy boss. Upon the Amen, they are still afraid. In Umbopuria, watch one and call happy boss. Had the women over 30 men. They won't come with me. The one of them, the licking water now. Look at them. Hey, Johanna. Ipen no haga look. Now protect the life of their citizens. Men like you